Hey guys, it's Kelly. So I figured out what the problem with the video before was, and that's that my phone storage, well, it was telling me it was full. It really wasn't, but I deleted some things, and I think that's why it shut it off, because it just did it to me again. Fortunately, I caught it the second time. So I'm just going to go through a couple things pretty quickly with you. This is day 17 here. It sits like this. For day 18, I have two photos here that I took at work today, and they're just of our lobby, and I love how peaceful and calm it is at this time of the year, so I like to remember that. So I'm going to use a 2 4x6 photo here, or 2 4x4 photos with a 2x8 spot here, but this really is not 2x8 because I was going to use a piece of paper that was, let me show you this because you guys missed this part when I discovered that I was reminded of this. It's way short here. So I was going to use this piece of paper, so I'm not, because it would have tied back in, I'm not going to use that piece of paper. I'm going to use something else. And when I did this the last time, let me show you this, because I was in the middle of that. I actually made a shaker pocket in this the last time, but I'm not going to do it this time. I'm going to use paper in the interest of being a little bit quicker, and I started this. So what I did, this is how far I've gotten now, is I've got a piece of red paper cut to 2 by 8.5, and I'm going to just stick these in here. And then I took a label from the November labels that was blue, and I just put it on here, and I just had to cut it just a little bit because it didn't quite fit, okay? So that's as far as we are now. Now I need my number, and I was just going to do this when I discovered what happened. So let me get this on, and let me make sure. This should be fine now because I deleted some stuff. I hadn't deleted the videos that I did over the weekend, and so I think that was part of it. Phone being sassy. Okay, so day 18. I was worried about grabbing 17, but I did not. Okay, so day 18 there, and then I think I want to do some puffy stickers here. So I'm going to just grab, because if I don't put it in and I put the puffy stickers inside, they'll fall off. So I have my puffy stickers here, and I've got this one that says Merry Christmas that I already thought I would do. I really like the way this one looks. So we'll pop that one on there. And let's see. I've got this white one that says, oops, I need to move this just a little bit yet. That says, love this tradition. So I could do that, and that's kind of nice. And that goes from side to side. And then this one says Christmas Magic. Let's see. I don't like it that it doesn't go side to side. So let's put that back. And the same, there's one that says Sparkle and Shine, and that would be the same issue. So I think that's good now. I think some sort of little heart or something to stop the stack here. And there's this green one, but I think it would be cool if I could find blue. And I've got one blue heart left on this sheet. It's bigger, but that's okay. Let's pop that like that. Oops. This like this. Oh, and I love how that works. Although maybe this needs to come up just a little bit more so it sits more like a little bit further away. And I'm going to put just a little bit of adhesive on this green one. I'm afraid it's not going to stick very well because it's up a little bit, and a lot of times when they're like that, they'll pop off. So just playing with how I'm going to get this on here. Okay, guys. Oh, I love how that looks. Okay. And I think I'm done. I don't think it needs any more than that. I think the two pages work really well together. This guy will sit, well, he's gonna fall, but he'll sit up here kind of like this. Love how this looks. Love how it turned out. So, all right, guys, that is day 18. All I have to do is the journaling, and then I'm done. So hope you guys are well, and hopefully I figured out what's going on with my phone. Bye, everybody.